every day. Not confirm when you're for a back. No more than Nkwọ Umunze what a taper. Orumba came after the market, don't look by the highest market.
So on the by today, I know na Nkwọ Umunze, the new Nkwọ Umunze. This place is a very spacious market that was created for Umunze people to replace the old market that's blocking the main road. So this market now has so many potentials and so many facilities. There is a tap, there is a toilet, there are so many, everything is here. Everything is here. So this market now is just to call on the government to come and relocate the people from the old Nkwọ to this new market where everything is happening. I will take you guys around this new Nkwọ to see what's happening here. People from different states, Imo State, Enugu State, even Abia State, come to this market to do business. It's a market that holds a lot and that will generate a lot of revenue for the government if they give it the right attention. So let's dive right into the video.
And this side now is the palm fruit side where they sell palm fruits, you know, palm nuts of different sizes, wholesale, any amount you want it is being sold here. And today, coincidentally, some government officials visited this market because this is a very important market and the people are calling for a relocation from the old market that is blocking the main road by the Umunze roundabout to this place that's spacious, you know, with good infrastructures and everything, so that this market will kick off and so many activities will kick off too.
The only problem is yeah, no, yeah, we did yeah. On the next meeting, they are a dozen moon. Engineer never. By the time we got the next time, I ain't dozen moon. Oh, you're there, and one idea in Media, whatever on it. Media, how much you make it. I'm surprised that now. So every woman what quantity
we don't have we're going to install a processing plant. I know the automated was
the building, how about I touch it back?
Kwado ọrụ n'ime ụlọ agbara mụ awụ local gọọmenti na Orumba South. Abịara m
modern market. Yes.
confirm onye ọfụrụ ebe a taa na ọ bụrụ na ndị Umunze agbarata ebe a Orumba ga-enwe after main market Orumba ga-enwe the highest market ma ndị ugwu Hausa na ndị a na-eje main market ọ wụzi Umunze a ọtụrụmanya market ka a ga na-abịa maka ma ebe ahịa rivise moto ha ma ebe ahịa park ma ebe ahịa eme ọfụrụ ihe niile enwere ya so commissioner biko anyị na-alụ anyị nwere work to do to make sure na shift na move to this permanent site because governor ama na ọdụ otu a ama m na ọ bụrụ na gọvanọ anyị dị ebe a taa ụka ebe a dị ọ gaghị take 24 hours ndị a na-ese etiokwa na main road ebe moto na-erewe ihe ndị mmadụ ahụhụ ụlọ mana ndị ọkụ ụlọ na-atụ ọcha na-azachara m ebe ọfụma so that enwee ka gọvanọ si wee si ka ọ makara ebe a na-eji ọ dị ebe ọbụla ebe ụlọ ebe a ka ebe nke ọzọ ụlọ ya nọsi ike ebe a very soon anyị akwa ya so the empty is why they should not be there. After one day, no, outside. I wonder. Jerry, Uchenna, and then the media. Take any media back. Wow, spacious. Everything and what? I take what?